Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use ligatures and alternates on Canva in Windows. First, you need to upload your fonts on Brand Kit, add new, upload your font, and wait for a minute. So yeah, you have font upload here. And then I will try to make new project, create design, custom size. Add a text box and type your word, scale, replace the font. Okay, here I will change the ASD letter and IN with ligatures. So how it works? First you have to looking for character map on your computer or Windows. If MacBook has font book, Windows has this character map. First thing you have to change the font in this field and search for your font. Then you search ligatures and alternate here. Change this group by field with Unicode subrange. And then scroll down and choose private use characters. And you will see the ligatures and alternates here. I will looking for SD ligatures, select it, copy, and then paste here or Ctrl V. Same way with IN, character map. Don't forget to clear this field before you copy other characters. Copy, paste here, and then for alternates, select, copy, paste or Ctrl V here. So yeah, I get this word full of ligatures and alternate. I hope this video will help you to show ligatures and alternate on Canva.